Welcome to our study on the awareness of grade 11 STEM students on the health implications of microplastic contamination in fish consumption. First off, have you heard of microplastics before? Have you seen any in areas where food is collected? Do you know the effects of microplastic consumption on human health? Those are the kinds of questions we aim to ask fellow grade 11 STEM students to measure their level of awareness regarding the topic. More specifically, this study aims to evaluate how well grade 11 STEM students understand the issue of microplastic contamination in fish. We're looking at their knowledge, misconceptions, and how this affects their seafood consumption. The researchers chose to survey the Our Lady of Divine Providence section, where 29 students answered our questionnaires overall. Based on the demographic data, there appears to be a higher proportion of males, 65.51%, compared to females, 34.49%, who have heard about microplastics. The internet seems to be the primary source of information on microplastics for this demographic, with 93.1% of respondents indicating it as their source. Other sources like media, 38%, and friends, family, or local communities, 31%, also play a role, even though to a lesser extent. As you can see, the qualitative distribution of responses suggests a generally positive attitude, agree or neutral, towards the issue of microplastics, with only a few respondents expressing strongly agree sentiments. So, what does this information tell us? Overall, the data indicates a gender discrepancy in awareness and a predominantly positive perception of microplastics within this demographic. We found that many students had heard about microplastics, but many lacked detailed knowledge about their presence in fish. While most students knew microplastics, only a few understood the health implications of consuming contaminated fish. These findings highlight the need for improved education on microplastic contamination. By integrating this topic into the existing curriculum, we can ensure that all students receive comprehensive information about microplastics. Interactive activities, such as experiments demonstrating how microplastics enter the food chain, can make learning more engaging. This allows students to practice sustainable practices, reduce, reuse, and recycle, and manage their overall waste properly.